Hi everyone, everything I'm about to share has been verified by the mechanics here at the shop where I am right now. One of the issues that has made the most noise, literally, is related to the engine in some versions, especially the ones equipped with the 2.0 and 2.4 GDI. Many mechanics mention cases like, it started with a small knocking sound and ended up shutting off on the highway, or it was consuming oil like that was normal. According to several technicians, in certain cases, the problem comes from premature internal wear, metal debris buildup, or bearing failure. In several markets, Hyundai released software update campaigns and even extended warranties for certain affected engines. The solution almost always starts with immediate inspection if you notice unusual noises, excessive oil consumption, or a check engine light. As one technician once told me, if that engine sounds like constant metallic knocking, don't ignore it. Get it checked right away. Related to that, another fairly common complaint involves the transmission, especially in models with the automatic dual clutch transmission, DCT, in the more recent generations within that range. Many drivers describe jerking when starting off, vibrations in heavy traffic, or a feeling that the car hesitates before moving. Some even say it feels like someone learning how to drive stick. Technically, this is often tied to the design of dual clutch systems in heavy urban use, pending software updates, or premature clutch wear. In some cases, Hyundai issued programming updates to smooth out the behavior. The most common recommendation is to take it to the dealership to check for open campaigns and, if the symptoms are strong, inspect the clutch and actuators. It's not always that the transmission is damaged, but it may need an adjustment or a software update. And since we're talking about everyday frustrations, the electrical system also comes up frequently in customer comments. Owners arriving at the shop report sensor failures, warning lights that appear and disappear, backup camera issues, or infotainment systems that freeze. Some customers have said things like, the screen suddenly goes black, or the ABS light came on for no reason. In many cases, mechanics point to wheel speed sensors, modules that need reprogramming, or loose connections. Hyundai has released technical service bulletins for multimedia system updates and brake module software updates in certain model years. The usual fix is to scan the vehicle, update the system, and check the wiring. It's not always something serious, but it's definitely something worth addressing before it turns into a constant headache.